Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Polygon Matic. I'm sure everyone is aware as to what really happened yesterday. One of the biggest days in the crypto space, and arguably, I think one of the most historic days for the entire cryptocurrency market. We know that, there was a long case going on with XRP and the SEC, and finally XRP won that. The outcome was that XRP is not a security, which caused the entire market to really, go towards the upside. We saw a lot of projects hitting yearly highs. If we're looking at Matic, of course, seeing one of the big gainers, of course, yesterday, up 19%, even after having a little bit of a retracement. So we're going to be discussing what exactly is happening right now and what are some next price targets I could be aiming for the price of Polygon Matic. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price as of Friday, July the 14th, you can see the price is currently sitting at 80 cents, down about 4.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Also down a little bit in Bitcoin comparative, about 2% in both Bitcoin and ETH comparative. Looking at its market cap, $7.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is sitting above $500 million. So what really is next? What are some next targets that we could be looking for the price of Matic? So, if you guys are not aware, if you guys did not watch my update on Pepe, you can see that, we did see a massive longs being liquidated, a huge, candle towards the downside all the way below 30K that, occurred today. Of course, that impacted the entire market, but a bullish thing that I could point out to you guys right now is that the dominance remained low. Despite the fact that we have seen this drop in the price of Bitcoin, we haven't seen the dominance pick back above 51%, and that's showing that, we could honestly be in for a altcoin season, and that indicates that an altcoin season is coming, because right now, after a move like this, you would expect normally the dominance to increase, but that has not happened this time around. So could this be the time where we finally see a lot of altcoins blast off? If you're looking on the weekly time frame, every altcoin right now, majority, you can see a lot of double-digit gainers. Solana, Caspa, XRP, Matic, Cardano, LDO, SNX, Comp, AVAX. So basically what that is showing is that obviously the momentum for altcoins is once again building up, and of course dominance going below 51% has been a great thing to see. But what is next for price of Matic? That is what we're going to discuss. Look at this beautiful upwards trend, guys. One of the best opportunities if some people grabbed Matic at 50 cents, guys. You saw the price of Matic go almost to $1 yesterday, which is a huge level of resistance. But nonetheless, if you were picking up the FUD, if you were picking up the bloodbath at that 50 cents mark just a month ago, you are up right now about 57%. You would have been almost up about 90% yesterday, of course. But we are seeing a little bit of a retest. Now, speaking about a retest, you may be saying, oh man, why are we retesting? Why is the price of Polygon Matic not breaking out back to these $1.16 mark, which we pretty much have been ranging as we started the year off? We were within this range, but obviously, some uncertain events occurred. We saw as Polygon Matic being labeled as security. Obviously, that impacted the price of Matic quite heavily. And, I've never heard any single person, as far as the cryptocurrency goes, my theory is that SEC knew that they were going to lose this XRP case. I haven't heard one single person talk about this, but I believe XRP knew that they were going to lose. Of course, sometimes there is talks that happen behind the scenes, and maybe there was something that was brought to the SEC's attention that, hey, you guys are most likely going to lose because XRP is not a security. So I think they planned this all out, that they are going to come and label 3 different coins as securities, and of course Matic being one of them, because they know, of course, that is going to impact the cryptocurrency markets, and they grabbed I think the massive dip. And honestly, that is my theory. That's honestly my theory, and let me know if you guys believe that, or do you guys agree with me on that. But I haven't heard anyone speak about that as of now. But we did see the price go up to that 90 cents mark. Of course, seen a lot of resistance coming in around that range. We have pretty much been consolidating around that level literally since almost throughout the bear cycle. Yes, you heard that correct. We've been ranging for the price of Matic within this level where we're currently sitting at, above this level of support at 73 cents. So obviously that is going to be a level of resistance that's going to come in our side, but nonetheless, you know, up about 57% after having a little bit of a pullback. Totally okay. All depends on Bitcoin, of course. You know, we do need to keep the price of Bitcoin in mind whenever we're analyzing the coins, but I am expecting that, you know, Matic is going to be one of the big runners now, especially after this news that has come out that, you know, XRP is not a security. This is bringing in more interest in a lot of coins that were labeled as securities. Of course, if you look at it for yourself, we did see Solana, Cardano, and Matic, all three outperform yesterday right behind XRP, and that shows a lot of interest was flowing into these projects because, you know, investors are confident that if, you know, XRP is not a security, what makes a Solana and, you know, Matic and Cardano any different, right? So that is what the overall take on Solana right now is. And of course, Matic, I'm sorry, I'm not speaking about Solana, I'm speaking about Matic, but you guys can see, you know, Matic has been holding really, really good right now. And I think, you know, the next, obviously right now we're seeing us kind of hanging around within this range, but if we do see a little bit of a push once again for the price of Bitcoin, I am expecting that Matic is going to break back into that $1 mark. Might see a minor retracement before we do see more further upside, but, you know, I think the bull market has started. You know, things are looking bullish. I think bullish than more, like, mostly throughout the year. I haven't seen this much momentum. Of course, you know, I'm a content creator, as I've said to you guys before. I can tell when the momentum is shifting up, and, you know, there's a lot of new money flowing into the crypto space right now. A lot of people are interested in crypto, and that just speaks for itself. And I'm really projecting that, you know, once you know, Matic is able to reclaim back into the 61.8 and hit a new yearly high, I think, you know, we are ready for the price of Matic to hit a new all-time high. You know, very exciting times ahead. This should show you, you know, what patience really does to you. And of course, you know, the famous saying, it always works. The famous saying is always do your own due diligence and research, and, you know, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. So the people that were being greedy like crazy around the, you know, bloodbath are, you know, up almost double their money across the board. So that speaks for itself. You know, I'm really liking how we're holding. I want to see the price of Polygon Matic stay above this level of support at all cost, and I think we will be heading back to $1 sooner than a lot of people think, especially when Bitcoin pushes back up to a new yearly high. We've been seeing similar patterns occurring for the price of BTC, a lot of sideways momentum. So I think you know, this is a clear manipulation that has occurred, but, you know, great signs definitely for altcoins right now. But I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal thoughts? Where could you see the price of Matic going in the immediate short term? Let me know down below. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.